Hey, good afternoon, guys. Everyone from North Island and South Island, welcome to today's webinar. So before you finish your cup of tea or coffee, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Keenan Comia, your sales engineer here at Soft Solutions. So once again, thank you for coming. This is going to be an exciting presentation, a short one, but let's make it exciting. So today we'll be talking about the 5 premium features to help grow your revenue. And I'm pretty sure that you guys are probably familiar with these features that we're going to be talking about. So I can't wait. Let's go and move on. Today's agenda, we'll go through the MSP maturity levels, the 5 premium features to help grow your revenue, and then what are the benefits of these features. Good. Moving on. So the maturity level listed here, the reactive, pretty much where most of our resellers, IT resellers, started. So this is where the break fix method comes in, where you fix your customer's laptop. I mean, they go to your shop, you fix their laptops, and boom, you invoice them, right? So I don't think there's a lot of stickiness and revenue when it comes to the traditional way of of fixing it or the method. So, and we wanted to be on the fully managed one. So as you can see there, as soon as you move to the managed level, dollar signs are being added. So with a fully managed one, it's where your customer and your requirement are pretty much aligned, and then you have an agreement with them. So consistent revenue and closeness to your customer. So you can see here, like what Dave Sabel said from SolarWinds a while ago. He was here in Oakland, and he mentioned that the further that you move along to the path, the greater your profitability, control, and value to your customers. I'm gonna run a poll, so just to see where we at the moment. So most of you are probably in the managed, but I just wanted to see where our IT resellers are. So I'll launch the poll and let's see where you guys are. So poll should be launched. Hold on, give me a minute. Oop, there you go. So kindly choose an answer, and let's see where our customers are at the moment. Okay, 67% voted. We're missing some others. We'll run it a little bit. There we go, going up, going up. It's not being sold yet. 80% voted. We need 20%. We need a 20% more. Okay, we'll close the poll, and wow. Oh, so votes are coming. So yeah, give us a little bit more time. Be patient. 3 seconds, 2, 1. Awesome. So upon seeing this really exciting answer, so it balances from a la carte to the fully managed. So 33% is on a la carte, 33% is on proactive, and 33% is on fully managed. So that's good news. What I wanted to say is that if you are on proactive and fully managed, you should give yourself a pat on the back. Why? Because you're already starting to change. He said, Dave Sabel said that there will be a disruption in the MSP area or MSP industry, similar to the disruption in the taxi industry being disrupted by Uber, or the hotel industry being disrupted by Airbnb. So such a good news that you guys are on the mature level. So moving on, and drum roll, please. These are your premium features the 5 premium features that will help grow your revenue. So once again, you guys are familiar with these features. It's all sitting in your dashboard, and most of you guys have activated this. So it's all about utilizing it. So let's talk about what are the benefits for these premium features. So first on the list, the feature that you would be selling, and it's a required thing, is the antivirus. So this managed antivirus, you have BitDefender, which was founded in 2001. You're using BitDefender, which is amazing software. Again, a software that could easily be replaced, and you can easily deploy because, hey, it's right there sitting with an RMM agent. So probably take you 5-10 seconds to activate it. And you don't have, if you're using a different one, you don't have to, have the problem in deployment. And again, we're gonna stretch it out. It's in one. It's you're using one single dashboard. And also, from experience, I remember working for a business that sells antivirus, and they're just selling the software. With this one right here, you're selling the monitoring, the management, especially a daily management, or a daily basis. On a daily basis, it's getting managed by an IT professional. How cool is that? You can match your, or you can match the antivirus software, and you can take pretty much the revenue from it. You can schedule scans, and also it's a no-brainer for your customers because once again, this will be installed and monitored and managed by you, an IT professional, an IT expert, right? So we're talking about security. Let's move on to protecting your network. So web protection, one feature that we have is web protection, which you're gonna keep your users safe and productive while using the web. So I'll give you an overview of the report for web protection, which you can see on your screen. Gives you the allow request, block request of a certain user. And then also you can look up, and I'm not being biased, I just use our website right here. Look, you can see that it's 100, you can tell the trustworthy or the reputation of a website. So you can look that up. Another feature that we have within web protection. And then the next one is you can generate your own report. So a report builder comes with it, right? So really, really cool or amazing feature, I would say. So what does it do? It gives your end users to have the security while browsing. So we all know that malwares or phishing sites are out there. And if your end users, employees are pretty, browsy or nosy to all those websites, they will get harmed. And that's what we're trying to protect your network. So improve productivity is one thing as well. Facebook and other social media websites, it won't go away anytime soon. And I'm guilty of it. I've been browsing Facebook, and yeah, just don't tell my boss, and probably not a good thing to tell them. So scheduling scheduling the filter or the protection, you can do that within this feature. So with web protection, you're not just offering increased productivity, you're also offering protection against malware. So again, some employees could potentially put their network at risk by visiting malicious websites. So another feature that will help grow your revenue is risk intelligence. One of our customers' favorite. Why? Because it gives you a value of, or a report that gives you this kind of value, the financial liability. You can scan the you can run a scan for PCI, DSS scans, and with that, you can also see the credit card, so MasterCard, Visa, an IRD number, date of birth, important information that could possibly be hacked or a data that's quite important for your customers. So um, within this one, you can use it as a pre-sales tool, or you can use this to get your customers aboard. So, and you can chuck it into your services as well. So let me show you um, a quick demo of how do we run risk intelligence. So pretty much in your dashboard right here, the thing that you need to do is you go to the settings, and at the bottom of your settings, you will see risk intelligence and your policy. So creating a policy is quite easy by tapping new. In this case, I created one. Let's just say test ours. So we'll edit this one, and you can apply what kind of scans will be inside here. So New Zealand has special scans right there, data breach risk scan. So, and you can create your own scan configurations. Good. And also, so once you created your scan or your policy, you just have to save it and apply it to your workstations. So in your workstations, once again, go to settings, risk intelligence, and then settings once again. So you can choose to apply it onto your servers, into different sites, or just for workstations. So earlier or yesterday, I actually run a report, and I just wanted to show it to you. What does it do, and what kind of report it's being generated. So risk intelligence reports, go to the summary. It will take you to another tab, but a good thing about it is it has single sign-on, so you don't have to worry about logging in once again. So under view and manage, we'll see all the devices and scans. So I've scanned my laptop yesterday, and let's see how vulnerable would be my devices. So let's say PCI and PAN scan. If I complied with any regulatory acts. So, well, I failed, the device failed. And another one would be the data breach risk scan. Quickly, say this one, hopefully this is the United States one, or sorry, the New Zealand one. Oh, it is the United States, pardon me. But in the New Zealand one, you can set it as the IRD one. It will show up there as an IRD instead of social security number. So there you go, financial liability of $23,000. Imagine that. You can use that as a free tool, to get your customers aboard. Run a free scan, easy. They'll say yes, okay, deal. Cool. So next up, talking about security once again, and then we got talking about backup. Talking about web protection and now risk intelligence. We'll move on to having your backup service. So imagine the impact if you lost, your data for weeks and years worth due to infrequent backup. So with backup, you can frequently back up as as frequent as 15 minutes. So that's a feature that we have for backup, and you're selling continuity here to your customers, availability, of course, uptime, and undisrupted revenue. And not just that, you're selling peace of mind to your customers, right? And once again, this won't be a sales presentation if I don't say this line. Wait, there's more. You have the option to back up the files into your physical data storage. So pretty much you can do that. So again, you're selling continuity. You don't have to worry, or your customers doesn't have to worry if if the internet is not working. So a really good benefit for you guys and to your customers. And yeah, an on-premise option is available for your backup feature. And where can you find it? Right there in your dashboard. You don't have to go to a different one. It's sitting right down there. And lastly, the feature that could be your technician's best friend, I would say, is your Netpath. So with Netpath, you can see the visibility of your infrastructure. You can create a path. So this is what it's gonna look like pretty much. So what I did is I use a specific website, which is Google. Right here, you can see the different hubs and the path information going to a specific website. So your customer probably keeps saying, "Hey, why is our internet slow? Is it us or who is it?" Right? So you don't want to keep hearing that. It's a proactive way to see if you guys or if your customers are having any issues when it comes to accessing a specific website, and it's a troubleshooting tool. That's why I said it could be your technician's best friend. So if you're on cloud services, I'm sure you would like this feature. So yeah, it's a reseller's feature. So I suggest to manage this or utilize it. And yeah, it's a trace route on steroids. To summarize it, it gives you more information. If something goes wrong, you can see the person that you want to contact right here. So creating a path and setting it up. This is the report. You just have to wait for 10 minutes to run it, and you will see this kind of screen. So you're saving time here, and the cost of your troubleshooting with on-hand data and path history, it will go. I mean, your costs will go up, and sorry, well, not your cost, but the time and cost. You're saving your time and cost of your troubleshooting. So yeah, that's what you're getting from here, a benefit for the Netpath. So just an example of that, the traditional IT support right here. Normally it will take $1,000, $3,000 probably just to solve a problem, troubleshooting. But in the Netpath, you can easily tell or troubleshoot where the problem is. You don't have to run around. You can, you can see where the problem is. So just to summarize and conclude this presentation, here are your premium features that will help grow your revenue. So thank you so much once again, and I hope this has been beneficial and valuable to you guys. Really appreciate your 30 minutes. And if you have any questions, let me know in the chat and I'll be happy to answer all of them. Additional questions, you can send it through swmsp@softSolutions.co.nz. Thank you once again.